opening some Pokemon cards. Make sure you check out our last video where we did 10, and we got 5 packs. We might have done well, we might have not done well. I'll leave that up to you to see. But I need a supply drop, please. Guys, so we're opening the Copper, I don't know how to say this, Copperajah V box. I'm thinking Roman numerals, but I have my scissors, and I'm gonna open it. I don't care. No scissors for me. Well, that worked really well. You can speed this up, don't worry, or not. I might be full. I can't hire Phil Swift to redo it, so. Okay, so we got 4 packs in this. So the small card, jumbo card. Let's yeet this open. Okay, so 4 packs. I'll explain them later, but let's first look at the cards that we get. So the jumbo one, that you can see better, and then the actual trading one, the actual card that you can use, quote unquote, in battle, but you actually plays the game, not me. I'm gonna get all this crap off. Okay, so put this up here. Just QR code. Okay, so we have 4 packs. Sword and Shield, Rebel Clash, Sword and Shield, just period. Another Sword and Shield, Rebel Clash, and Sun Moon Guardians Rising. So, last time we were always getting our best card second to last, so instead of 3, I'm going to do 4. Because it used to be 3, I'm not sure. Well, let's do Rebel Clash first, because those were, I think, the worst. I'm not sure. I have scissors right here, I forgot. Oh my gosh. Good enough. I saw the first card, but it's fine. Oh my gosh. So good at opening. I'm going to try 4 because the best card was always second to last. But I'm not sure if the rule has changed. But, I don't know. Scoop Up Net, Trainer. Palpitoad, yeah, Palpitoad. Morrigan, Energy, who cares. Voltorb. Growly or Growlithe? Growlithe. Dreepy, Snover, Binacle, Your Mask, and Croissant. Just kidding. It's Cramorant. Close enough. All these cards weren't good, so we're yeeting them off the table. Okay, pack number 2. Rebel Clash. Okay. We will show every single QR code at the end of the video. So you guys can get some free pack things online. I'm just going to go back to 3. I don't care. I don't think that works. I forgot how you do this. I'm just going to do 3. I don't care. Shuckle. Who cares? Milo. Zong. Magic Cart. Just kidding. It's Magikarp. Matite. I think that's how you say it. Stunky. Grubbin. Wingle. Shiny, I think. Yeah, Shiny Applin. Spiritomb. Yay, we got Energy. I'm so glad. We got 1 good card. Oh, okay, card. It's, where was it? Shiny, somewhere. Oh, Shiny Applin. All these other cards were not that good, so we're yeeting them off the table. Yeet. Okay. Sword and Shield. And we still have scissors. Oh, it's not open all the way. Of course. Yeah, this pack has to give me a hard time. Yeah. I have a feeling that this pack will give us nothing. QR code. 1, 2, 3. Taliban. Yeet. Evolution Incense. The Sharp. Vulpix. Luna. I was about to say Rosalina. Rosalia. Same thing. Who cares? Shootle. Blipbug. Oh, okay. This is not that bad. Rotom Bike. I believe it's holographic. Poltergeist. And energy. Yay! I love energy. I was aiming for the phone. Because we have Ultra HD phone cam, if you don't remember from last time. Okay, I have a lot of assistants with me, and they're writing secret messages. Yes, that's why I'm looking not at the camera sometimes and taking a second to do stuff. We got our quad. 1, 2, 3. This is nerve-wracking. We haven't gotten a good pack this whole section. Or session. Section? Okay. Beware. Yeet. Oh, crap. Brooklet Hill. Yeet. Okay, that didn't hit him. Slowbro. He was my friend, so. Mudbray. Oh my gosh. Delibird. Wishy-washy. Yeah, how weak. Okay, you get an extra treatment. I hit my dog. What? Jingmu. I did not mean to do that. Wimpod. Oh crap. So Lazal. Okay, I think that's some sort of infomercial, but I tried to throw it in the air. Gothatelli? Yay. Yeah, we got energy! I love it! Yeah! Yeet. This was so good! 2 rare, not even semi-rare, with a Rotom Bite and the Applin. But yes, now, free QR codes. Have fun. This thing. Have fun. This thing. Was this in frame? Who cares? Here. And, that's the wrong way. Here. Now you don't get to see them again. Now like the video, because otherwise I will be poor. And subscribe on the imaginary subscribe button right here, because we're too poor to afford editors. So, and like the video, who cares? Whatever you need to do, turn that noti bell on, or I don't know how to edit my videos, because I'm poor and I need editors. So please. Could you please watch those ads so I can get those ad run review? Oh my gosh. Just ad review, and I'll probably get copyright from Pokemon for saying Pokemon, because that's how my life is. Bye.